Good morning, students. So in this video, we're going to see the topic is web browsers. So without browsing tool, so we cannot run any websites for personal usage or company's usage. So let us see about the topic is how it will be processed. What is a browser? So what is a web page, websites, or differences like who are the owner of the browsers? So let us see in these videos in detail. The first slide will be showing to you what is a web browser. So what is mean web? So what are the links will be called as to starting or keep upping the browsing to a usage for the personal use. The first thing is web browser. So web browser is nothing but it allows to view and explore the activities over the internet or the app or application software, anything with sense. So the web browser is which is unique identifier. So which will be using the U or uniform resource locator because where I can store my data in which web page or in websites, like the kind of certain components elements need to storing the data inherently in a web page or a websites or the anything is any kind of class storages. So the so forth that is need is the internet. So over the internet only we can use and access the web browsers. Without internet, without citations, we cannot run anything else for urgency. It is a web browser which is will giving bring the data through text, video, or audio, then image, animations, and more kind of variations will be available to converting the data into the form of text, audio, video. So this is the process where used in getting from web browsers. Second slide will be showing to you the browser, what kind of browser we have used currently. Then who are the owner of the browsers? The first thing is Internet Explorer. This will be created and launched by Microsoft. Then Google Chrome, as obviously it's launched by Google. Then Mozilla Firefox, Mozilla. Then Netscape Navigator, Opera, Safari, CMoney, and then Came. So this is the browsers we are currently used over the world. Then these are the parties that there's a companies where organized and launching and creating, developing, and more things happened. Became lead to create. Finally, we use it out. So this is a browser we are. This slide will be I'm giving this basic components. The first one controller, second one interpreter, third one client program. The first one in the controller is this is a main this is a heart of the monitor, heart of the computer, test of anything else which will be called as the CPU. It's nothing but CPU, central processing unit. The kind of material only they're using to storing the data. So while we were worked out or working, something has been happened with the computers. So it takes input from keyboard. So we use it to keyboard giving the letters in the form of sentence or information. It is used to storing the data in CPU. So keyboard and mouse supporting system, supporting devices for entering the inputs into the system. So this is for the basic controller which will be connecting to the monitor and CPU. The second one thing is interrupter. Interrupter is nothing but this is the informations from the controller. Controller, who is the controller? CPU. Giving the getting the information from CPU, then executing the process and getting the instruction. So how it will be processed? They were use the formulas or something codings. So for processing through the final information, so final output. So that will be called as interrupter using the many custom code words or VB or Visual Basic, Java, or Python kind of coding tools used to getting the final output. The final thing is a client program. The client program is nothing but it is a final specific protocol that will be used for the specific purpose. So that is one a client program which is this The client will be personally told and making out for personal use. No one will be used as some, for example, third parties cannot access the sites. So for that, developer who designing and making out the final coding software tool for the specific need. This is a process where we use the data and who are interpreting, controlling the clients and the over the internet connectors, LANs, those things usually connect to the one and two. Starting Internet Explorer is nothing but this is a process, this is a site we can use frequently for a citation or a site will open like this. Thank you for listening.